Hi, my name is Gail Lee. This is my Enhancement 5 for my 336 class. Here I'm showing you my functions page that I created. So it shows all the things that need to be done, the navigation pane, the cat, building a cat list, and validating emails. All this is in there. Here I'm on my Acme page. And if I click up here, I'm going to take you to the index page. So this is my index page. Let me validate this with the HTML. I take you here and hit validate. It validates this page and shows that there are no errors on this page. So I'll go back to this page. I'm going to add a new category. And let's check this page before we do that. So we'll do the local host, HTML, and there are no errors on this page either. So let's add a category. I'm going to add a category here of feed. So I type feed in there and then click add category, and you see the feed has been added up on top. So our category has been added. Now we'll come down here and add a new product. So we add a new product. We're going to check this for the HTML. And as we validate this page, you see there are no errors on this page either. Excuse me a second there. Okay, so we're going to add a category here by clicking on, we'll click feed. We'll put the product name in here. Oops. Bird seed. And we'll put a description in here of, boom. Seed's going to blow up. If I go down here and click add product, I'm going to show you to stop here and set it as a required field. But if we hit no validate here, and we come up here, and we go down here and add the product, it tells you to please provide information for all the form fields. So I'll choose the category again, which is feed, and we've got birdseed and boom. So I'll come down here and put a price in, $50, size 20, weight 10, available stock we have 5, location is home, vendor is Acme, and style is, we'll choose by the pack. So if we add this product, it said you successfully added birdseed to the database. Okay, so now we're going to go to the local host here and check the database and make sure those things were added. So if we go to the categories page, we see down here that feed was added. And then if you go to the inventory, go down the bottom here, you'll see that we added a bird seed that we just put in. So the database has everything inside. Now let's go back to the registration page, and I'm going to validate the CSS. Since the CSS is the same for all, I'm just going to do it one time. So here's my CSS page, and there are no errors. So congratulations. So this is my video. Hope everything's okay. Thanks. Bye-bye.